Hello, this is Terry from Parmelis, coming to you from beautiful sunny Mount Airy. It's sunny right now. Hoping that all you guys are staying safe. Know that it's kind of a crazy time right now, and we're doing everything here that we can to help you muddle your way through all of this. So today I'm going to show you some of the reports that you need to take care of the payroll protection program. So we sent you guys a spreadsheet, and I have it up on my screen. It's a way for you to kind of gather your information that you need. So I'm going to move that to the side right now, and I'm going to show you the reports that you need to fill that out. So the first report you're going to do is you're going to go to Reports. You're going to go to Total Pay. We're going to click this drop down right here. We're going to say Last Year, and we're going to say Update Report. This will show us everything that we need for all of our employees, and it'll give us a grand total over here of their wages. Now, for the report, you want to use these wages, but you want to take out the S Corp Health. So over here on my report, on this total payroll, I'm going to take the 112,213.34, which is my total wages, and I'm going to minus out the S Corp Health, and that's where I'm going to get my number of 112,063.34. Then, because we've included our total payroll, we don't really have the next couple lines, and we can drop down here to state information. What they want here is the state taxes that you paid for your employees that are company-based. So what you're going to do is click back to Reports, and we're going to go back to Tax Liability, and we're going to say Last Year, and we're going to say Update Report. Now what we're looking at right now is the portion that's the employer portion. So this portion right here is the employer portion of these taxes. It's basically your unemployment, any kind of workers' comp or anything that you run through your payroll that is employer paid. So in our example, we're going to type in 441.01. And then we need to show the compensation that's over $100,000. Now, of course, if you were smart, you would have put that on your spreadsheet first before we got out of that first report, but we're going to go back to that first report. So we're going to go to Total Pay, and we're, again, going to do Last Year, Update, and we see that they got paid $112,213.1112,213.24. Take out the S Corp Health again. So the difference to get us off of that 100,000 is, of course, that number right there, 12063.24. And of course, it rounds up. So there you go. This gives you your report that you need to help for your bank. So that's how this spreadsheet works. Now, the second page of the spreadsheet is for all your health care. So your health care, your premiums, anything, this will calculate so that you can get the information that you have to do. This also can be pulled from your payroll report if you do include that on your payroll. So to look at that, if you are running all of your benefits through the payroll services, you go to Reports, you go to Payroll Details, click Last Year, change all checks to Summary by Employee and say Update. This will give you all of any benefits that were paid under this company contributions, all the benefits that you would need. So if you are running all of your information through the payroll, you can just use this report to get everything from there. If not, you just go to your insurance bills or look in your QuickBooks and see what portion, the total payment to your health insurance. So you would put that number in here, and then of course any premiums that the employees are paying would automatically be here in this section right here. So you'd be able to get that. Hopefully that helps you with that. And there's one more thing I want to talk about, and that's the temporary leave, the family leave. The payroll system has already set these up for you. So if you go to Employees and click on your employee's name, and then go to Edit for the pay rate, you'll see here that now you have choices to pull those. They are all right here. You can pick them out, click on them, whichever ones that you want to use. These are dollar amounts. So if you are you do flat rate and you have like multiple different monthly rate, weekly rates or hourly rates, you're going to want to put something in that regular rate. So, for instance, if you're looking here, and let's just say he's hourly now, you're going to want to make sure you have something in here for this regular rate, because that's what this family medical leave will pay from. It'll pay from that regular rate. So you would just make sure that everybody had that. Salaried people, like I had up before, that's going to work this way because it's going to go by the hours, and salaried are considered to work 40 hours a week. So it would, like for instance, if they were off for 2 days, you would just put 16 hours, and it would deduct that from they would get paid their salary less that 16 hours that you would put to one of these leaves here. Once you run the reports, if you go to reports, because you need to know that amount of portion, because in your QuickBooks file you do want to put that in a separate location. You're not going to want to keep that under wages, which is where it will go when you export. You're going to want to do a payroll details report, and then you can see here your totals down here on these leaves that they took, and then you can do a journal entry to move them out of your tech wages or service writer wages, and then move them down to a separate line item in your QuickBooks file. I know that's a lot of information. We're here to help you. Please give us a call. You're welcome to call me. You're welcome to pop me an email at terryd@parmelis.com. Reach out to your team member at Parmelis. We're all here to help. Please stay safe like we're trying to do. We're all working at home, going a little stir crazy, but actually just really out here working and just wanting to make sure that you guys get everything that you need. Again, have any questions, let us know. We're praying that everybody stays safe, and thank you so much for being our client. We truly appreciate having you. Talk to you soon. Bye.